Welcome to our interactive demo of AltaSQL Plug and Play. We assume that you are familiar with AltaSQL basic functionality. In this demo, we will not show the DML for managing metadata, only the desired results. Plug and Play lets you build SQL statement in a modular fashion with reusable components. The components are the following: the select clause, the from clause. This lets you dynamically combine the select clause and the data source, letting you execute a query against different sources, such as dev, QA, and production. The post from clause contains where, order by, etc. As we said, these are the functions that accept from clause and post from clause arguments. If the from clause is not specified, the default values for database, schema, object, and table alias are used. Values for optional arguments may be strings, session variables, or AltaSQL tags. AltaSQL tags are reusable using SBLD getTagged value from any view definition. Let's get started. Generate a select statement for customer base. Here is the select statement with full schema qualification. We generated and executed a bulk script using SBLD Alta Source Object Qualification function to use the object name as table alias qualification. Now let's generate the select statement to show the table alias qualification as the new default qualification. Let's generate the select statement with a manual from clause. Note that this is the same as the default from clause, including the table alias. We use the object customer as the table alias. The table alias is always generated as case insensitive and shown in uppercase. Let's add the data from the Chinook physical schema as a from clause tag using SBLD add tag, with the comment that it's considered the default from clause. Chinook data is also contained in the shared database named CRL-OSDB. We generated a bulk script using SBLD ADDD tag to add from clause tags with object qualification for all the natural language view definition from the shared database schema. We add a post from clause to filter on USA as the country and order by last name. Let's add the data from the Chinook physical schema as a from clause tag and add the comment that it's considered the default from clause. Chinook data is also contained in the shared database named CRL-JARDB. We generated a bulk script to add a from clause tag with object qualification for all the natural language view definition from the shared database schema. We add a post from clause to filter on USA as the country and order by last name. Generate the select using both the from and post from clause from their respective AltaSQL tags. We see the from clause and the post from clause. Let's execute and see the results. Finally, we see the desired results filtered by country via USA and ordered by last name.